Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to use Lo-Fi Space by Waves. Let's listen to what we have for this demo first. We're going to use it on that trumpet that we have. Let's sync that to our host and we'll put about 30% of feedback, set that to ping pong, and we'll enable reverb and echo as well. Let's keep that to a quarter note rather than an eighth note. We'll use a spring instead, set it to 1.2, and we're going to set our mix to about 7%, and we're ready to listen to it. Here's again before. After. Try it and let me know in the comments what you think.